You are about to learn from OneTech Space.
This is showing how to upgrade to Windows 11 from any Windows 10 computer, even if your PC isn't officially supported. The best part of this method is you won't lose any of your files in the process, except if that is the option you want. Before we dive in, even though your stuff won't be deleted, it's always smart to back up your files, just in case anything goes wrong. Now open your browser and search for Flyby11 GitHub. Click the result that says built by Bell/Flyby11. On that page, scroll down to Releases and download the latest flyby11.zip file. Once downloaded, unzip it by extracting the content into a folder. Inside, open the Flyby11 app. If you get a warning from your Windows protector, click Action and Restore. Don't worry, the file is safe. You may also have to click More Info and Run anyway. It will not harm your PC. Now, you'll see a screen with a few checks. If you see green ticks, great. If you see red X's, don't worry. Just means your PC doesn't meet Microsoft's official requirements, but the upgrade can still work. Click Start Upgrade now. We'll need the Windows 11 ISO file. You can use the FIDO downloader right from the app. Choose Windows 11, select the latest version, like 24H2, then pick your edition, Home, Pro or Education. Note this important thing, make sure to select the same language version as your current Windows. If you're in the US, pick English, United States, not International. Otherwise, you won't be able to keep your files. Then choose x64 architecture and hit Download. Save the ISO file to your Downloads folder. Back in the app, go to More Options and select from Computer, then select the ISO you just downloaded. Click through any prompts that pop up. If you see anything about Windows Server, don't worry. It's just a trick to skip Microsoft's strict checks. Let it search for updates, accept the license, and then you'll see the golden option, Keep Files, Apps and Settings. That's what you want. If you don't see that option, you likely picked the wrong language earlier. Go back and fix the right language that matches your Windows 10. But if you don't care and you're ready, click Next, then Install. Now, your PC will restart a few times. Screens may go blank, that's normal. When it's done, you'll land right on your new Windows 11 desktop, and that's it. You've got Windows 11 running on your PC. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more tech fixes and tips.